It's the safest country to wear.
Yeah, my brother said it's war coming here.
I don't think anybody will attack America. It's all guys right there. Oh yeah. Yeah, she's having a conversation with them, so they're like, okay. Crap.
Look at that tree. Yeah. Almost dizzy. You know what it means, teton? Teton, like the mark on your backpack.
Oh, Teton, yeah.
Yeah, it means this. Nipple. It means nipple.
Really?
In French. Yeah, French.
Really?
Yeah. So you learn a French word, teton.
So tell this again.
Teton means nipple. Nipple sports.
You know Teton. We call it Teton.
Okay, wait, teton.
So Teton is
Teton.
so there's a mountain called Grand Teton.
Oh, nice.
It's one of
I
the-
want to see the shape of it.
It's no, it's more religious term for here.
Oh, have you been to Shista?
I'm going to
Mountain?
August. August.
California.
I'm climbing, yeah.
Oh, you're climbing also.
Yeah, I'm okay. I do a little bit of.
That's what I'm planning to do. Well,
When?
returning in Belgium, yeah, I'm gonna go to a climbing club. I want to start climbing mountains.
Oh, nice. Which mountains did you climb so far?
Not too much. I've been in Romania a lot.
Okay.
I've been to Madeira.
Madeira?
Yeah.
Okay.
But easy trails, really easy trails. Where to? I think this is it. Sardinia, but I didn't see the bike. Smallest one. And I did Mamisto here and Fletcher.
Cedar Canyon.
Yeah.
Cedar Canyon peak. 10,500 feet.
Yeah.
Nice.
And Mamisto.
Nice. Good job.
So far my biggest one was here, actually, 10,000 feet, and the second one was in Romania, a little bit less, not a lot less, but still it's gonna be pretty funny to come back in Belgium and to say to my friends that I've been in the desert and I did the longest hike ever.
Longest hike? How long?
Like the highest mountain.
Highest mountain.
Yeah, highest mountain in the desert.
Okay. For you can walk in the water because your shoes
Already wet.
are wet anyways. So.
No, already wet. I have water in it. So they are very good to keep water inside. Not to keep water out. But no, I just didn't knew from the start and I went with my feet right in the water.
I don't mind to have my feet in the water, but when I can avoid it, I can avoid it.
Exactly.
So.
Your feet is gonna be so weird after.
So with Narrows,
This is not gonna be possible to keep your feet
no,
dry.
but in Narrows, don't go this slow.
I'm not slower.
No.
I'm not slow. Yeah,
No, I'm just
usually.
saying,
Yeah.
don't go this slow. go fast.
In the
Because
water.
yes, because
Current when this.
no, don't follow the group. Because if you follow the group, you cannot see what you want to see.
Oh,
So you need to go fast.
oh okay.
And the more fast you go, there will be less people and more view, all for yourself. So with Narrows, if you really want some good footage, then you need to go faster. If not, you're not gonna go much farther.
Okay, but we're not gonna do it everything in a group? No.
Well,
Okay. So here we could go